budding artists! Today, get ready to add a touch of love and style as we draw and color a dress adorned with hearts. Are you excited to create your own fashionable masterpiece? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your trusty black marker, and let's begin our fashion journey. Start by drawing the top part of the dress, the neckline, sleeves, and don't forget to add a belt and ribbon around the waist. Then, draw a heart shape in the center of the chest. It's already looking lovely! Cool! Now, let's add the lower part of the dress. Imagine it flowing gracefully.
Awesome!
Decorate it with small heart shapes all around. Let love be the theme of our dress today.
Wow!
Let's make our dress stand out even more. Use your black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. See how it adds that extra touch of definition and elegance to our creation? And now, let's add some color to our fashionable creation. Today, we're going to use crayons. Grab your crayons, and let's make our dress vibrant and eye-catching. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Now, let's clean up our artwork with a black marker, making those outlines crisp and clear. We'll use colored markers to color the small hearts. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Well done, little artists. Hello, little artists. Today, we're going to draw something super cute and easy. Are you ready? First, let's draw a cute little heart right in the center. Like this. Now, let's add 2 adorable sleeves for our dress. 1 and 2. Next, let's draw the chest part. Just a gentle curve like this. Now, let's add a cute little belt and some heart-shaped buckles. So sweet! Time to complete the lower part of our dress. Let's make it with 7 lovely sections. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker. Now comes the fun part. Let's choose some beautiful colors to bring our dress to life. Pink color. Light purple color. Rose red color. Yellow color. For the lower part, let's use the colors of the rainbow.
Cool!
Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Pink color. And there you have it, little artist. A cute and colorful dress, just for you. We hope you had fun drawing with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.